Howdy there, folks. This is the Collector 6819 coming at you with a blaster box break of 2015 Press Pass Racing. Purchased this at my local Walmart today. You're guaranteed one autograph or memorabilia per box. So let's see what it is. Let's see what we get. Okay, we've got Marcus Ambrose, Ryan Newman, headliners, Kyle Busch, up and comers, I guess. Matt Crafton. This might be that retail card that people are talking about in the box. Kyle Busch, regular. Jennifer Jo Cobb, David Reagan, Casey Kane. We have the checklist card. We have Sam Hornish Jr. We have Jimmy Johnson. That's a contenders card. We have a Dale Earnhardt tribute. Matt Kenseth. Over the wall, the number 20 Dollar General Toyota. A Dylan Kozlowski, I believe is how you pronounce his name. And then we have a Dakota Armstrong. On the side. We have a Michael Annett, Darrell Wallace Jr., Dale Earnhardt Jr., headliners, Jeb Burton, Chase Elliott, headliners, and a Chris Buescher, and our last one. Those kind of things will give us something for memorabilia. We have a Jeff Gordon, a Jeff Gordon, headliners, a Brandon Bond, a Jeff Gordon, third one on this pack, Joey Logano, Eric Brad Keselowski, headliners, and a Jimmy Johnson, Gordon Rubber, from June 15th, 2014, Michigan. The race used victory tire, not numbered. So that's pretty cool. Jimmy Johnson. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you next time.